In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can enable shift log here in Roblox, the strongest battlegrounds. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you're trying to enable shift lock real quickly, don't worry, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. What you're going to want to do once you do get loaded into the strongest battlegrounds is actually go ahead and go to the top left corner of your screen and click on the little Roblox icon right here, and it's going to pull up a menu that looks like this. Alternatively, you can also just press escape on your keyboard and it's going to open up that exact same menu, but click on the little settings icon up at the very top and you're going to see a shift lock switch icon right here. Go ahead and make sure that you switch this to on. After that, hit resume down at the very bottom or hit escape again, and now whenever you press shift on your keyboard, the camera's going to lock onto your character, which makes aiming and controlling your moves a lot easier in battle. But yeah, that is it. It really is as easy as that. That's how you can actually enable shift lock here in the strongest battlegrounds. If this guide did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out here on the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. If you do have any questions though, ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.